How to add a text to your document. First, you go to Insert and click on Text Box, Draw Text Box. So we're going to draw a text box and type. Okay, so we've added our text. Note, it is not compulsory for you to highlight your text before adding any effects to it. All you just have to do is click on the edge of the box and add and make it bold. Okay. So now another thing you should note about adding text box is that every text you add, every text box you draw comes in form of a shape, or let's say a picture format, but with the text like this. You cannot move it there without anything happening to your document. But so instead of leaving it that way, because when you print it, it might end up affecting your document. So all you have to do is click on the text box and go to format, go to shape, outline, and click on no fill. Same thing for the shape, fill to no fill, shape, outline, no fill. And we've successfully added text box to our document.